Hey guys, my name is Mike Munzing with Munzing Mortgage Group. Another week to bring you an update for what's going on in the mortgage industry as well as the real estate industry as a whole. Go to my website, www.mikemunzing.com. Take a look at the rates for the week. Now they are just about where they were last week. They took a nice drop a week ago, so we're still benefiting from that. We've got great jumbo rates. Great overall conforming jumbo, fantastic. As I mentioned before, the hottest thing going right now, not many folks have it out there, but that 95 and 90% loan to value with no MI. Now the coolest thing they have on that now, you can have all gift for the down payment as well. So you get a family member, you get the gift, you can do the 95, no MI. You're absolutely destroying the FHA loans that are out there because the fees and expenses on FHA are horrible. I think in the last 4 years, they've increased their fees 6 times. So the no mortgage insurance 95 with a gift from family, that's the way to go. Call me on that, 949-689-5626. We'll go over that in detail. It'll be great. Also get your clients over to my online application so they can fill out their information, gets it right over to me, weekends, nights, days, whatever. We get them ready to go. I can get that pre-approval, go straight to Freddie Mac, straight to Fannie Mae. I'll pull their credit over the weekend, pull their approvals over the weekend, and get you ready to write that offer. Okay, every couple of weeks I get Stephen Thomas's report. Up here on this screen, you'll see that this week he is really breaking down the craziness, the silliness that we're hearing about from our buyers and our sellers. He's got the little clown up though, we'll bring that up. Oh, wait a minute, that's me, we'll get rid of that. But you can get his report. It is a subscription report. You can get that at www.reportsonhousing.com. Let's see what he has to say. Basically, he says that he makes some comments here of what the crazy things that our buyers and sellers are saying. It's kind of fun. Starts off with sellers in that we need to net X amount from the sale of our home. What he points out is that the buyers don't care what our sellers have to net out, and the sellers ought to worry more about if they sell at a certain reasonable price, if they sell at the market price, are they going to get out enough that they need? If not, don't sell the home. If they are, then sell the home. It's not about what they need to get out. It's about what the market will allow them to get out. Buyers, he says, everybody's been wrong about interest rates and they're not going to rise. Well, I think we know that in the long run is going to be crazy, and that just last year they jumped up a full 1.5% at first. They've settled back down to about 1%, maybe 3/4 over where they were. But in the long run, I think pretty much everybody knows that rates are going to rise. Next is for sellers. And the sellers are saying, we need to leave a little extra room for negotiations. All they're doing is pricing their home above where it needs to be, above the market, and it just makes them wait, and it's going to take longer to sell that home. Back to the buyers. We're nervous about buying right now, and it could be a buyer's market soon. As Stephen points out, we're only about 3 months on the market overall for Orange County, and that's not long. That's not exactly a buyer's market, and he does not foresee a buyer's market coming soon. So those buyers need to get out there and buy the homes while they're priced right. Finally, as the sellers, we're going to wait until spring to sell. Well, a lot of new sellers are going to be coming on the market then as well, which is not going to help that seller's market. And he also makes the point that do we think that the sellers are going to be selling in the meantime or discounting their properties? No. Everybody's going to try to sell at the maximum they can do it. And early next year, prices may even be a little bit lower. So that is not a good strategy. Well, hey, let's take a look what's going on with the activity, the inventory, what's happening out there in the market. The current inventory over the last 2 weeks, because he puts these reports out every 2 weeks, has jumped only 27 homes. Now, it's jumped every 2 weeks since the start of the year, but this may imply that we are getting close to the peak. So it jumped 27 homes to a level of 8,084 homes, and that is the smallest gain, once again, that we've seen. Interestingly enough, though, 1 year ago, pretty much today, we are at 5,869 homes, which is 2,215 homes less than we are right now. So we still are looking good. Our buyers are getting more homes on the market. It is still exciting. I still think we have a little bit more to go, but we'll see what happens with that. Next is the demand, which are homes in escrow, currently in escrow in the last 2 weeks. That's only increased by 1%, or 36 escrows. That's what Stephen considers demand, or currently homes in escrow. And that is 2,585 homes in escrow. And finally, distressed, which is very negligible now. That is down 4 homes, down to about 290 homes currently on the market for short sales or foreclosures, REOs, really a small end of the market. So be sure to educate your buyers, because a lot of them are still saying, we're looking for that distressed sale. We want to get that foreclosure or short sale. And 290 homes across all of the county is really not much of anything. Hey, we're heading into a great weekend. Should be beautiful. I've been having a lot of fun out there with you, hitting the open houses on the weekends. You're out working hard. It's great to see. And I'm defending the realtors in my city of Aliso, Viejo, trying to help you keep your signs out there. It's really an exciting time as we head towards the end of the summer. I've got my phone with me all the time, 949-689-5626. Get that in your phone so you have it handy when you get out there with a buyer, they have a question. Put me on there. Just look up Mike Munzing and it's right there. I'm here for you. Well, have a great weekend. I'm here for you. I'm here for your buyers. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless this beautiful country. And let's work together. I'm here for your call. Bye-bye.